Hello friends, welcome again. Today let's discuss with this continent of Africa. In previous session we have discussed up to Asia. So this continent of Africa is the second largest continent in the world. We'll discuss the different physical factors, vegetation, different temperature, different types of these economic activities in Africa. Okay. So first we'll see what is the land surface. What is the total land surface? $30 million kilometer square. Okay, that means 20% of the total population. And what is the extension? Extension is 37° north to 34° south, because we know that this is the world, this is the equator. So from the equator, that means from this is tropical region, from tropical region to passing through the equator. Equator is passing through actually Congo basin. Congo is also called Zaire basin, up to this point, that is 37° north, this is 34° south. So in between this region Africa is actually consistent. So Africa is extending from north tropic to, means north pole to the south pole. Okay. Here Atlantic Ocean is there, the second largest ocean in the world. And we will see what is the east-west the direction, that is 51° east to 17° west. Okay. Now we'll see what is the length of the coast. Total length of the coast is 30,000 kilometer. 30,000 kilometer. And largest country is Sudan, that is 2.5 million square kilometer. Okay, so land surface is 30 million square kilometer total, that is 20% of the population lives in the Africa. Extension is 37° north to 34° south, 51° east to 17° west. Length of the coast is 30,000 kilometers, Sudan 2.5 million square kilometer. So we know that Africa is called the dark continent. Why Africa is called the dark continent? Because temperature fall vertically, because the color of the peoples are brown, not actually dark brown, but don't tell it black. Actually black color is actually night color, so that is dark brown. So that's why it is called the dark continent. And not only because of the black color, actually this Africa is full of dense forest, okay. Ghane jungle, we know that Ghana, Sierra Leone, Tobago, Trinidad, Nigeria, Congo Republic, and up to the Zimbabwe capital is Harare. So these are actually full of this forest, that is Zaire basin. Another river is there, name of the river is Congo, that's why whole the area is called Congo basin. Actually two countries is there, one is Congo, another is the Congo Republic. Okay, and we know that northern part of the Africa, this northern part of the Africa is full of Sahara desert. So whole the northern part is Sahara desert, because why? There is very scanty rainfall. Okay, Sahara is the largest desert in the world. Here some countries are there, a desertic country, Morocco, Algeria. Earlier Algeria was the largest country, now it is actually become low because Sudan is the Sudan was the earlier largest country, now it is Algeria. Ethiopia, Egypt. We know Egypt is a gift of Nile, because Nile river is there. Nile is the longest river in the world. Oh, what is the source of the Nile? Nile is coming from the lake Victoria and falling in Mediterranean Sea. Don't confuse. Coming out from the lake Victoria, falling in the Mediterranean Sea. So that's why Nile is Egypt is a gift of Nile, because due to presence of river Nile, Egypt is something rich in agriculture, because they can do some types of wheat agriculture, sugarcane, that is rice. Because among all the countries of the Africa, only Egypt is the one country which produce the agriculture production most. That's why it is called the Egypt is a gift of Nile. Okay, we can see the pyramids in Egypt. Misor is there, so we tell Misor pyramid, that is pyramids we can see in the Egypt. Okay. So now we'll see the highest peak. What is the highest peak of, when we discuss about the, I will show you what are the different mountains, different peaks, what are the different countries, different desert, different seas are there, different mountain ranges. Highest peak is Mount Kilimanjaro. Mount Kilimanjaro, I'll write the height 5895 kilometer. Okay, and another mountain is there, Mount Atlas. Where Mount Atlas? Mount Atlas is here in Morocco. Okay, this region is Mount Atlas. So Morocco is a Mediterranean country, generally in the side of the Mediterranean Sea. And some highlands are there. Okay, we'll see the highlands. Drakensberg Highland. Okay. Again another highland is here. Ada Mawa Highland. These two highlands are most important in Africa. Now I will write the different names of the river. River Zambezi, Congo, Jere, Niger, okay, Chola, etc. These are the main river of Africa. And due to presence of this river, Africa has the hydropower, some amount of the hydropower potential, that is in the 40%. Okay. Then again, 70% of the populations are forest dweller, means they depends upon the forest. There depends upon also agriculture. They make cocoa, jawar, bajra. Okay. So again we know that the first human species generated in the Africa, that is 4.5 million years ago. Human species first they formed in Africa. Okay. and we will see nowadays population is 944 million. 944. So when you talk about the population, so generally you have to discuss about the population density also. That is population density 31 person per square kilometer. Okay, what is population density? Population density means within 1 kilometer, suppose this is the 1 kilometer, the number of population means within 1 kilometer how many population will be there, just like 1 square kilometer. Suppose this is a square, okay, and also 1 kilometer, 1 kilometer, 1 kilometer, that is once within 1 square kilometer number of population, that is called the population density. Okay. So I'll write down some densely populated region. South Africa, Nile River Valley, Eastern Africa. Eastern Africa means some countries like Kenya, again Ethiopia, Somalia. So these are countries called the Eastern Africa. Here highland is there. Again Zimbabwe. Zimbabwe capital is Harare. Okay. And in the desert region generally populations are very less. And in desert region generally low population density, that is 15% per kilometer square. Okay, now let's see what is the different countries of Africa, different countries or different rivers of Africa, different mountains of Africa, different plateaus, different plains. Okay, I'll show you. Okay, now let's see the countries, different countries of here. Generally 53 countries are there in Africa approximately. In 2011 Sudan divided into two parts, North Sudan and South Sudan. Let's see Algeria. Earlier Sudan was the largest country. Now when Sudan got divided, Algeria is the largest country. So we are talking about Morocco, Mediterranean Sea region. Let's see from coastal area to the middle part. We'll first discuss about the coastal countries. That will be very easy to remember. First Morocco, Mauritania, Western Sahara, Senegal, Guinea. This is Guinea, Sierra Leone, Libya. Sierra Leone capital is Freetown. Libya, Ivory Coast, famous for Ivory Coast. That's why the name of the country is Ivory Coast. Ghana, Burkina Faso, Togo, Benin, Nigeria, Cameroon, Gabon, Equatorial Guinea, Congo. This is Angola. This is also equatorial country. Namibia. Actually Namibia country is there, but Namibia desert is not here. Namibia desert is here. Okay. This is Republic of South Africa. Three capital is here: Pretoria, Johannesburg, and Cape Town. Cape Town is the last. That is Cape of Good Hope is the last point of Africa. Okay. We are talking about the highest point of Kilimanjaro. That is here in the Mount Kilimanjaro. Zimbabwe, Mozambique, Zambia. This is Tanzania, Congo Republic. This is Uganda. This is Lake Victoria. You see Lake Victoria, Nile River is coming out like this and falling in the Mediterranean Sea. This is Kenya, Nairobi is the capital. Okay. This is Somalia, Ethiopia, Sudan, Chad, Nigeria. Nigeria population is very high. Burkina Faso, Mali, Mauritania, Chad, Libya, Egypt. Egypt is the gift of Nile. Here it is famous for the pyramid. This is pyramid you have seen here. This is Sphinx Egypt. This is also in the Egypt. Why Egypt is gift of Nile? Because of the agriculture. Because most of the agriculture production comes from Egypt. Now we'll see different rivers. We are talking about river Zambezi. This is river Zambezi here. Again, river Jere here. Again, Niger river is there in Nigeria. Okay, these are the important river. Again, this most of the northern part is consist of Sahara Desert up to Somalia. See, Ethiopia is landlocked country. Here Djibouti is there, Eritrea is there, Somalia is there. These countries actually population is something high, but this here GDP is very low and production is very low. That's why people are suffering day by day. So here actually this density of the population is also high. We talked about what is the density, 31 persons per square kilometer. And in this Algeria, Libya countries are having 15 persons per square kilometer. So Africa is surrounded by this Atlantic Ocean. Here North Atlantic, here South Atlantic. This is Mozambique, and this one Madagascar. Madagascar is the one of the island that is the largest island in Africa. Here we can see Gulf of Aden. Here we can see Red Sea connecting Suez Canal from Mediterranean Sea. This is the Suez Canal, Gulf of Suez to Gulf of Port Said. This is Cairo. Cairo is the most populous country. Here another mountain is there. Here some desert is there. This is this Kalahari Desert. Here this one, Northern Sahara Desert. Okay, so this is all about Africa. And if we talk about the Gulf of Guyana is there. Again, Gulf of Aden is there. These are Canary Island, falls in the near to the Strait of Gibraltar. I told you what is that Gibraltar. What is the meaning of strait? Strait means the narrow places of water which is connecting to water bodies, that is connecting from North Atlantic to the Mediterranean Sea. So I think there is nothing about to see the Africa, because when we discuss about the physical conditions, that means just countries comes and this desert and some mountains are there, and what is the these water bodies surrounding the Africa. Okay. Okay. So now see what is the per capita income. We will see what is the per capita income, that is called PCI. So per capita income of Africa is 2,550 US dollar. We measure in the US dollar. And some important capital cities or the towns we will see here. Nigeria capital is Abuja, that is most important. Zimbabwe, Harare. Okay, Sudan's capital is Khartoum. Egypt capital is Cairo, most important importing exporting capital. Then South African capital is, there are three capitals, we know that South Africa. Number one is Pretoria, Johannesburg and Cape Town. Generally Johannesburg is the executive city, means executive capital. That means all the administrative takes place from Johannesburg, and from some portions are takes from Pretoria and Cape Town. And Tanzania, Dodoma. So these actually capital cities are contributing something towards the economic development of the country, and whole the Africa is depends on this country, because most of the people of the Africa is actually belongs to the poor countries generally, due to the dense forest, covering of actually lack of transport and facilities. Generally Africa is lagging behind. So this is all about this chapter. Here in session 4 this topic is finished already. So we'll discuss later on in the next session about Europe or whatever remains left. So for today this much only. Thank you. All the best.